Hello, welcome back. I was just talking to one of my students and he said a very interesting sentence that made me realize that yes, I have made a video about this in the past, but it's one of those things that you kind of have to repeat to make sure you remember, okay? So he said this sentence. He said, "Oh, Patricia, it's possible that I will go there next year. It's possible that I will go there next year." And when I heard this, I thought, because I'm Brazilian and he's Brazilian, so I am following the way he thinks, yeah? So I'm like, no. It's possible that I'll go. This sounds very Brazilian, very Portuguese. So I said to him, all right, you need to remember a really important word, that it's so simple but so important. Might. So instead of it's possible I'll go there next year, how about using I might go there next year? So much shorter. You know, English sentences like to be short, very short and straight to the point. And also, doesn't it sound so much better? Doesn't it sound like you're talking real English? So I might go there next year, because might always talks about a possibility. This is the meaning of might. So when you're trying to say, oh, it's possible this will happen, this might happen. I might call you later. I don't know, I might travel, but I'm not sure. So you see, it's very easy to use. You just have to remember that might is a possibility. So instead of saying it's possible, say I might, it might, you might. So you might have liked this video, hopefully. If you did, remember, click on like, leave a comment, share with your friends, subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.